It is said that if doses are wrong, the consequences are devastating. For that reason, it is of paramount importance to get the right kind of dosage to get the better efficacy. Let's discuss antibiotic dosage calculation procedure. Before going to discuss, we need to know three important points. That is, number 1, amount of drug required per kg per body weight of a particular antibiotic. Second, weight of a child. Third, each ml contents of a particular drugs which is mentioned on wrapper of a dry syrup. Here there are 5 types of antibiotics kept here for demonstrations. First one is amoxicillin clavulanic acid. Second is azithromycin. Third, cefixime. Fourth one is cefodoxime. And fifth one is cefadoxil. Let's discuss one by one. The first one is amoxicillin and potassium clavulanate dry syrup. General dosage of amoxicillin and potassium clavulanate is 30 mg per kg body weight. Let's give an example. Let's take an example of 15 kg child. Required dose for 15 kg child is 15 into 30 mg, that is 450 mg in a day. Look at the wrapper. Here it is mentioned that each 5 ml contain amoxicillin 200 mg and potassium clavulanate, that is 28.5 mg. Means each 5 ml contain 228.5 mg. Then each 1 ml contain 228.5 mg divided by 5 equal to 45.7 mg. Then how much ml required in a day? That is calculated as follows: 450 mg divided by 45.7 mg equal to 9.84 ml. Means 10 ml, that is divided into 2 doses, that is 5 ml BID. And duration of therapy depend upon the symptom and severity of patients. It may be BID for 5 days or maybe for 10 days. It is as per directed by the physician. Next, we are going to discuss about azithromycin syrup. General dosing of azithromycin syrup is 10 mg per kg body weight. Let's give an example of 15 kg 1 seconds. 15 kg child. Required dose for 15 kg child is 15 into 10 mg, that is 150 mg in a day. Look at the wrapper here. Each 5 ml contains azithromycin 200 mg. Means 1 ml contains 200 divided by 5 equal to 40 mg. Then how much ml required in a day? That is 150 mg divided by 40 mg equal to 3.75 ml. Means 4 ml once in a day. And duration of therapy may be once in a day for 3 days, or it may be continue for 5 days. That is depend on the severity and symptoms of patients and as per directed by the physician. Next one is cefixime dry syrup. That is general dosing of cefixime dry syrup is 8 mg per kg body weight. Once again, taking an example of 15 kg child, then the required dose is 15 into 8 equal to 120 mg in a day. Once again, look into the wrapper here. Here it is mentioned that each 5 ml contains cefixime 50 mg. Means 1 ml contains 50 mg divided by 5 equal to 10 mg. Then how much ml required in a day? That is 120 mg divided by 10 mg equal to 12 ml. Means 6 ml twice in a day. Duration of therapy, that is depend upon the severity and symptom of patients. That is, it may be BID for 5 days or BID for 10 days. That is as per direction by the physician. Next one, that is cefodoxime dry syrup. General dosing of cefodoxime dry syrup is 5 mg per kg body weight. Example, the dosage calculation for a 15 kg child. Required dose for 15 kg child is 15 into 5 mg equal to 75 mg in a day. Here mentioned in the repo is each 5 ml contains cefodoxime 100 mg. Means each 1 ml contains 100 mg divided by 5 equal to 20 mg. Then how much ml required in a day? That is 75 mg divided by 20 equal to 3.75 ml equal to 4 ml. Means 2 ml twice a day. And duration of therapy is BID for 5 days or it may be for 10 days. That is once again depend upon the symptom and severity of patients and as per directed by the physician. Last one we are going to discuss about cefodoxyl dry syrup. Then general dosing of cefodoxyl dry syrup is 30 mg per kg body weight. Let's once again taking an example of 15 kg child. That is required dose for 15 kg child 15 into 30 mg equal to 450 mg in a day. Look into the wrapper. Here it is mentioned that each 5 ml contains cefodoxyl 125 mg. Means 1 ml contain 125 mg divided by 5 equal to 25 mg. Then how much ml required in a day? That is 450 mg divided by 25 mg equal to 8 ml. Means 9 ml twice a day. Duration of therapy, it may be as long as BID for 5 days or maybe more than that. That is depend on the severity and symptoms of the patients. And dosage is directed by the physicians. This is the procedure how to calculate the antibiotic dosage. To get more updates, please write your